Hello, you are watching Philomite's Physics Math channel, that is PM channel. I'm going to solve a question on set theory. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share it. And this is the question. The question reads: a class of 80 students, 3 over 4 study biology and 3 over 5 study physics. If each of the students studies at least one of the subjects, A. Draw a Venn diagram to represent this information. B. How many students study both subjects? C. Find the fraction of the class that study biology but not physics. So this is the solution. Solution. First of all, let's bring out the parameters in the question. We have the total number of students as 80, but fraction of it, which is 3 over 4, study biology. So to obtain number of biology, you can say n of biology is equal to 80 times the fraction, which is 3 over 4. So 80 divided by 4 is 20, and 20 times 3 will give us 60. So 60 students study biology. Then for number of students that study physics now is equal to 80 times 3 over 5. And that will be equal to 80 divided by 5 is 16. And 16 times 3 will give us 48. So now, the number that study both subjects, we can present it by the intersection of both biology and physics. So that's number of biology intersection physics now is equal to x, because the question is demanding for that. Say how many students study both subjects, so the intersection of biology and physics. Now the Venn diagram can be drawn with cycle. So this is the cycle for biology, another cycle for physics. So this rectangle here will represent the universal set, which is 80 students in the class. So now x is what we don't know. So this portion here, we can have 60 minus x. And this portion here is 48 minus x. We understand that 60 students, when we convert the fraction, we know that 60 students study biology and 48 students study physics. So now, since we don't know the number that is here, we are going to subtract, because the cycle is from here, like this for biology, and the cycle is like this for physics. So to obtain those that study physics only, this is P, physics. For those that study physics only, you have to subtract it from this x. So that's why we have 48 minus x. That's why we have here 60 minus x. Now, for us to find the value of x, we have to add everything. So understand that this is the diagram, which is A, and the B now, which is to find the number that study both subjects. We are going to add everything here, equate it to the universal set, which is 80. So I have 60 minus x plus this x plus 48 minus x, all equal to 80. You see that we have plus minus x here, plus x will cancel out. Then we are left with 60 plus 48. That will give us 108. Then minus x is equal to 80. So to avoid complication, just move this minus x to this side, to the right hand side. Take 80 to this side, to the left hand side. The sign will change. So we have 108 minus 80 is equal to x will go. The sign will change to positive. So we have is equal to x. So now 108 minus 80 will give us 28, which is equal to x. It therefore means that x is equal to 28. Now, to solve the last question, let's find the number that study only biology, and then the number that study only physics. So for number that study only biology only is equal to 60 minus 28, because we have already gotten the value of x. and 60 minus 28 will give us 32. Therefore, number that study only physics now is equal to 48 minus 28, and that will give us 20. Now, the C part says we should find the fraction of the class that study biology but not physics. So, you know that initially this number also were part of it that study physics because the cycle covered. So now the number that study only biology is when you subtract x from 60 that will obtain this, which is 32. Now, the C, the number that study fraction, sorry, we are looking at the fraction that study biology is equal to 32 out of the total number of students in the class, which is 80, is equal to 80. So this will be equal to 80. You can use 8 to reduce it to the lower terms. 8 can go here 4 times, and 8 goes here 10 times. So we have 4 over 10. And that will be 2 cancel here 2 times, 2 cancel here 5 times. So the fraction is what? 5 or 2 over 5. The fraction that study biology but not physics is what? 2 over 5. I'm very sure you enjoy this video. Please, if you enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, share the video, like it, please, and put down your comment so that I can do better for you. I hope you enjoy this video. Bye, and I love you.